Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do powder coating and blasting and all that type of stuff. Big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. Today on the Roadhouse, we're going to put a new spring in your hood hinge. Let's get it started. I'll show you how to do this. Vice grips. Hold these two together. Go. You might want to wear a pair of safety goggles in case you launch this sucker. Putting it back on, pretty simple. Same type of process. Now you are going to scratch up your back on. Hopefully you got a good hood spring and you won't have to worry about it anymore. One thing before you close your hood hinges, you might always want to check on putting some oil on these things. If they freeze up, they're a biscuit. I've got a video for that too. Thank you for watching this. I got a lot of how-tos on old muscle cars and all sorts of cars, so appreciate you watching. You might want to wear a pair of safety goggles just in case this spring becomes a projectile. I appreciate you for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Popped in here to Shaker Racing Day to give them some decals for Roadhouse. I want to tell y'all, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.